guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I want to try my dress, the purple dress. This one is actually dress that I wear when there's the beauty pageants in Singapore. So I win for the best catwalk. Look at that, best catwalk. So this was before when I was single. So let's take a look how it looks like that from the top. And here is have the tie. This is how it's look. And the behind is just like that. And this one is the day when I win. I miss that moment. So guys, that's it, my dress, and I think the dress is look nice and the color, but I don't know what you think about it. Okay guys, hope you enjoy watching this video. Don't forget like, comment, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye.